has never been easier to create a stunning, functional website without knowing a single line of code. Hi, I'm Anna and welcome back to Club Reach Marketing here on DigiSpark Media. Today I'm going to guide you through the basics of setting up a professional, user-friendly website for clubs. And trust me, if I can do it, you can do it too. Now, having a great website is crucial for attracting new members and keeping current ones informed. So let's explore the best website builders and hosting options tailored for clubs like yours. No tech degree required, promise. First up, we have Wix. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of website builders. Whether you're a novice or an expert, Wix's drag and drop editor makes it really easy to create a professional site. Really excellent for SEO, offering a personalized checklist to keep you on track. Plus, with over 900 templates, you are spoiled for choice. The downside, once you choose a template, you are kind of stuck with it. And if you're the indecisive type, the sheer number of features might be a tad overwhelming. I've also found that with Wix, it can seem slightly confusing with all the different packages that they offer, but overall, it is perfect for clubs looking for creative freedom and robust feature set. So next we've got Squarespace. This is the Apple of website builders. It's beautiful, intuitive, and straightforward. It's got great booking tools for online services and integrated marketing tools like email campaigns and social posts. However, if you're planning to scale up significantly, you might find that Squarespace is a little bit limiting, and for the forgetful ones, beware, there's no autosave feature. But if you want a stunning, easy to manage website, then Squarespace can be your go-to. Now, for those looking to sell merchandise or tickets online, Shopify could be your best bet. It offers robust sales features and extensive app markets with over 8,000 apps and a mobile responsive online store. The catch? Additional costs for apps and a limited selection of free templates. But if e-commerce is your focus, then Shopify is unparalleled. So if you're on a tight budget, Hostinger is to the rescue. It is incredibly affordable at the moment and comes with a suite of AI tools for building and managing your site. Plus, you get a free domain and website migration at the time that this is being recorded. The trade-off, it has quite limited customization and scalability, and there's no app market for additional features. So what you get is what you get. But for straightforward setup and affordability, Hostinger is really hard to beat. Finally, there is GoDaddy, which is known for its fast setup and affordable plans. It also offers great customer support and includes marketing tools like email campaigns and social posts. The downside, basic design options and features that might be a little too simple for more complex needs. But for beginners needing a quick, cost-effective solution, GoDaddy could be the solid choice that you're after. All right, now that we've got our website builder sorted, let's talk about SEO. Now, SEO might sound like tech wizardry, but it actually can be pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it. So for our SEO tips today, we've got number one, keyword research. So keywords are the words and phrases that people type into search engines when they're looking for something. So for your club, you want to use keywords that are relevant to what your club offers and where it's located. So for example, if you run a gymnastics club in London, keywords like gymnastics classes London or London Gymnastics Club are what people might be searching for. It is really important to include these keywords naturally throughout your website content in places like your page titles, headings, and descriptions. This helps search engines understand what your site is about and match it with people looking for your services. Number two, let's talk about local listings. These are online directories where you can list your club's information like Google My Business, Yelp, or local community websites. Making sure your club's name, address, and phone number are the same everywhere you list them helps search engines verify your business and boost its visibility in local searches. Imagine you're putting a pin on a map saying, "We're here." The more consistent your information is, the easier it is for people and search engines to find you. Great, now that your site is optimized for search engines, let's make sure it is also appealing to your visitors. First up, high quality images and videos are your best friend. These visual elements are not just pretty to look at, they help tell your club's story. Show off what your club does best with photos and videos of your activities and events, whether it's a gymnastics routine, a dance recital, or a theatre rehearsal. High quality visuals catch the eye and keep people interested. Think of it as giving potential members a sneak peek into the exciting things happening at your club. Next, keep your website content fresh with regular updates. So this means adding new blog posts, news updates, and behind the scenes content regularly. You could write about recent events, upcoming classes, or spotlight stories about your members. This not only keeps your current members engaged, but also attracts new members who want to be part of an active, vibrant community. Fresh content signals to search engines that your site is active and relevant, which can help improve your ranking in search results. By following these steps, you'll not only have a stunning website, but also one that draws in new members and keeps your current community engaged. Now that we have a solid foundation with SEO and engaging content, let's amplify your reach through social media and email marketing. Let's start with social media integration. Now, with 78% of consumers saying that social media posts by companies influence their purchasing decisions, this is a really important connection. Linking your social media profiles to your website is like putting up signposts directing people to join your community. Make sure your social media icons are prominently displayed on your homepage, and consider adding live social feeds to keep your site dynamic. This not only helps increase your followers, but also shows visitors that your club is active and engaged. Next, share your website updates and blog posts on your social media channels. Every time you post a new blog, update your class schedule, or add photos from your latest event, share it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, wherever your audience hangs out. This drives traffic back to your website and keeps your social media content nice and fresh and engaging. It's a two-way street that really benefits both your website and your social profiles. Now, email marketing is another really powerful tool in your digital marketing toolkit. It may feel like technology is flying ahead, but email still remains a really strong and very worthwhile way of staying in communication with your customers. It has been calculated that there is a potential return on investment of up to £30 for every pound spent. So start by collecting email addresses through sign-up forms on your website. Offer something valuable in return, like a free class, a discount, or exclusive content to encourage sign-ups. Make sure the sign-up process is simple and clearly visible on your homepage. Now, once you have a list of email addresses, use it wisely. Send personalized, relevant emails to keep your members engaged. This could include updates about upcoming events, special offers, or highlights from recent activities. Personalized emails, those that address recipients by their name and cater to their specific interests, tend to have higher open rates and engagement. So think of your emails as little reminders of why your club is a fantastic place to be. In fact, brands that use personalization see a nearly 260% increase in ROI compared to those that don't. So I would love to hear from you. What specific challenges are you facing with your club's marketing right now? Are there particular topics or strategies that you would like us to cover in future videos? Drop your questions and suggestions in the comments. So now it is your turn. Start building that website, improving your website. Try one of these platforms and see your club grow. Don't forget to comment if you have any questions whatsoever or need further tips on any of these things. Join our community over on Facebook for more discussions and support from fellow club leaders. Let's make your club the talk of the town. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to DigiSpark Media for more digital marketing tips and tricks. And follow us on the Club Reach Marketing series, where we're going to go over lots of hints and tips. We're going to be taking a lot of the things that we've gone over in this video, and we're going to be going into great depth on future videos to help you out. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another upload. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye bye.